Alright, so it is Wednesday, January 16th, 2019, and we just got a package here today from Kyle or HVAC Explorations, and there's a whole bunch of logos in it, so just like what we got from Geo the other day, except this one has a bunch in there. I'm not exactly sure what's in here. I think I have like an idea, but I don't know like every single thing that's in here, to be honest. So, alright, literally just tore this thing open. Alright, so I see an Ameristar top right there. So you can see that. It's pretty nice. That's one, and then we got this is a heat pump, super high efficiency. I believe this is a Fedders. I'm not completely sure though. And see, wrapped it in toilet paper, just like I did. We've got a Friedrich right here. And this one right here has to be my favorite. I would not have been able to get one of these most likely around here. So, thermal zone top. I mean, I see some thermal zones, but I don't see them very often. I see one like every 2 years or something probably. Some more toilet paper in here. We've got, not sure what this is. Let's see. Packaged up good. Ooh, it's a Guardian. See some of it there. I might, I mean, I might put this one on my Guardian. We'll have to see. Yeah, that's actually a really nice Guardian logo. Yes, I actually can put this on my Guardian. I might do that. Definitely nicer than the new one I recently got for the Guardian. And then another unknown right here. Man of Distinctions. It's pretty nice. Got a airflow right here. And then this is a comfort maker. I had one of those, but I gave it to Geo in the trade for the Observer top. This is going to be an Arco Air. And here's a Carrier manual of some kind. I believe this is a Carrier furnace manual. It's pretty cool. Alright, several more in here still. Nice and shiny. This looks to be another Arco Air. It's actually a really nice Arco Air too. A little one here. Ream side. I was actually not expecting this. Nice. This is a Gibson. I believe this to be a ream side. Yep. I see these quite often. This is a Luxair. Very nice too. Carrier side. This is an Armstrong there. Interesting. Another ream or shiny. Alright. There we go. These are actually really rare for me. I've seen one Rude, one modern Rude like this that has this kind of side, and it was at a rest area. Back then I wasn't collecting logos, so didn't get it. We got a Centurion. I've never seen one of these before, so that is an extremely rare one for me. And then one more, a green pane. And I think let's see, we've got one extra piece of toilet paper right here. Alright, so packaging. So yeah, let's go figure out where all this goes. Alright, so I just gave them a cleaning. So yeah.
Was this a surprise?
Here we go. And then on the York, we got this York Latitude logo right here, which I got that on my own, but yeah. So thanks, Kyle, for all these logos.
Let me see your carrier here on.
So yeah, it's over and out.